Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and this is Friday night's video, November 21st, but I'm making it on Sunday, early Sunday evening, as I had some personal business to attend to all weekend. Like my daughter was in town, and I wanted to spend some time with her, which we did. So the market on Friday, we spent the entire day in an oversold territory, waiting for some sort of rally, so that the oversold condition would correct itself. And just about when I guess even I gave up and almost everybody else gave up, we figured we'd have to wait till Monday to get some kind of a rally. In the last hour and 15 minutes or last hour and a half, we managed to have a 500-point rally just about. The moves in the market are just unbelievable. But anyway, we are now back up into a resistance area. I'm not going to say we banged our head, but there might be a tiny bit more room on the upside. But we are definitely back in this resistance area or at the bottom end of the triangle. And also my short-term indicator is overbought. So, as usual, I don't know exactly the exact moment or exact hour that it's going to come back down, but, it has to correct itself again. And it has to get back into an oversold position, because that's what the indicator does. It just moves from overbought to oversold. And we are at a pretty overbought position coming in Monday morning. So we'll see what happens then. Have a new idea for Monday. It's another short call, and the stock is RHI, Robert Half. So in just a moment, I'll show you the chart, and I'll show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. All right, we're looking at a daily bar chart of RHI. It's Robert Half. This is a call on the short side, and we'll be looking to sell this stock short Monday morning, just right where it closed, $18.28, anywhere right in there. I don't expect it to have any more of a kickback rally than it already had on Friday. I need to turn this into a weekly chart so I can show you where my target on the downside is. Target $12 a share. It's this old low right here. Now this is a weekly we're looking at here. Okay, so that's our target, 12. Now we're going to go back to a daily. I'll give you some more of the stats. So I've already told you we're looking to sell it short right around where it closed at $18.28. My target is $12, and our buy stop, the picture with the pattern would change, would be a close above that level, which is $20.06. All right, let's see what's going on here. I believe we're in a pretty well-defined downtrend. We've had our little kickback rally here, and now we're working ourselves back down again, and we've gotten ourselves into a descending triangle right here. And you can see how each time it breaks a support, as here, how it kicks back into the pattern, and then it broke it here, and it kicked back, and then on Thursday it broke this low here, and now it kicked back again. So you're going to get these kickbacks, and but it's clearly in a descending triangle, and that's a bearish formation. And I would suspect that this low probably is going to get taken out in a day or two, and it's going to work its way on down to the target of 12, sort of in this formation with these lower highs. Okay, so that's my call for Monday. It's a call on the short side, RHI, and if we stay with it for the whole entire trip down to 12, we can make ourselves about $6 on that trade. Now I want to go revisit all of the major indexes, and I'll show you where we are in our roadmap. Okay, here's a picture of the Dow. It's a daily bar chart of the Dow, and this has been our descending triangle. That's the bottom of it, and that's the top part of the descending tops. And you can see Friday we've kicked back pretty close to the bottom of the triangle. There's some wiggle room here. We could get up into close to the trend line before they roll over again, but as I said, we are short-term overbought, and this whole area here is going to act as resistance. At least that's what the technical analysis, that's what the common sense thing tells me what's going to happen. Okay, and all the other charts pretty much look similar to this, so we'll take a quick look at them. Okay, the transportation average, this is our triangle with the declining tops. There's room in this. I mean, this could rally back up into here before it really runs into any kind of major resistance areas. It's actually behind what the Dow did. I mean, the Dow ran all the way up into the resistance area. Whether this wants to get back up into here or not, it's very possible it could. So there could be a slight follow-through in this, but this whole picture is still a bearish picture. This rally, I'm just considering it some sort of a kickback rally in an ongoing downtrend. Russell 2000, here's our bearish triangle that we broke down out of, and now we're probably going to kick back up into it here. We've got this outside reversal day with a closing high, but we've had so many of them that have failed that I don't believe it really has any technical significance, and because it just has not been reliable in the last couple of times it has done it. So I'll point them out to you. There's one there. There's one there that failed. Here's another one here that failed. So when an indicator is not reliable, even though it looks important, we have to disregard it. Okay, SPY, which is basically the Standard & Poor's 500. This is our descending triangle, and this is our resistance area right in here. So could we rally up into this area tomorrow or the next day? Yes, no question about it. But this is a resistance area. And lastly, the QQQQs. Here's our triangle. Here's our bearish triangle that we broke down out of. I believe we're just going to revisit the bottom end of it and then roll over and continue the downtrend. So that's my view of the market. Until Monday, this is TK signing off.